Hello everyone, and I am Arvind Upadhyay at Vasudev Healthcare, mm, to the presenter of your course at Herbal Medicine. In the given high incidence, we are in this video going to talk about botanical for mental well-being. Given the high incidence of anxiety, depression, and insomnia, and dependentia, chances are there may be someone is affected by at least one of these conditions. It is also likely that you encounter patients with this condition on daily basis. Concern about the cost and effectiveness or slight effective of a standard pharmaceutical are common reason that people seek other herbal alternative. In this video we will discuss some of the most common botanical uses to managing mild and moderate anxiety, depression, and insomnia, and dementia. Both anxiety and depression are extremely common across the world, with the estimated 264 million people suffering from anxiety, 322 million people suffering from depression. According to the World Health Organization, anxiety and depression can be cause significant disruption in daily life and may contribute insomnia. Another common reason people seek out botanical. We will also look at the use of botanicals for dementia, which affect up 50 million people worldwide, with rates that are unfortunately on the rise. Chamomile, kava, lemon balm, passion flower, and valerian are all the botanical with some promise for managing anxiety symptoms. A Cochrane review of 7 randomized double-blind trial on the effective kava preparation concluded that kava is superior in placebo and relatively safe as a treatment for anxiety. So kava is superior than placebo in the treatment of the anxiety. Kava has muscle relaxation properties and has used since ancient time. Kava has its own set of safety precautions. It can cause liver toxicity in use of large doses, so over a long period of time. S.T. Johnson Watts is a particular has gained a lot of attention from the medical community. St. John's wort is similarly effective to the standard antidepressant and with less adverse side effect. It's important to note that botanical may interfere with many of the accurate medication list. For any person to consider recommending St. John Watts, pneumonia and fatigue are two sides of the same coin. People with insomnia despite nighttime restlessness often experience fatigue during daytime activities. Some botanical that is full insomnia may include hops and valerian. Botanical for fatigue include ginseng and rhodiola. Both of these botanicals show promise in fighting fatigue. A study conducted in 2007 on the fixed state of valerian and hops that while the research is still inconclusive, suspected the ginkgo may be improve circulation brain and have protective effect on nerve cells. So this was basically some botanicals for mental well-beings like St. John's and kava and proscarps. Okay, so